Hello everyone. Today, we are covering an important topic for every nurse, the legal aspects of nursing. Understanding these concepts will help nurses provide exceptional care while protecting their patients and careers. Let us dive in. Overview of the legal system in nursing. Let us start with the types of laws that a nurse might encounter. Criminal law, this involves serious offenses like abuse or theft. If broken, the consequences could include fines, imprisonment, and losing a nursing license. Civil law, this typically deals with negligence or malpractice cases. Unlike criminal law, these cases focus on financial compensation rather than criminal penalties. Next, let us talk about negligence versus malpractice. Negligence happens when a nurse fails to meet the expected standard of care. Examples include making medication errors or not monitoring a patient appropriately. Malpractice is a specific type of negligence in which a breach of duty, such as performing a procedure incorrectly, directly harms a patient. Overview of the legal process in nursing. If a legal issue arises, here is the process typically unfolds. Investigation. It begins when a patient or their representative files a complaint. The complaint proceeds with collecting evidence and reviewing records by experts to evaluate whether the case has merit. Litigation. During the discovery phase, lawyers exchange documents, conduct interviews, and gather testimony. If the case is unresolved, it proceeds to trial, where a judge or jury decides. Resolution. Most cases meet resolution through a settlement before reaching trial. A court judgment may dismiss the case or award compensation. Legal relationships in nursing. The nurse-patient relationship creates a legal duty for the nurse to provide competent care. It also includes advocating for the patient's rights throughout the care process. Accountability and liability. Nurses are legally responsible for their actions, a concept known as liability. Patients may pursue legal action against the nurse or the healthcare team if errors or harm occur. Regulation of nursing practice. Standards of care are guidelines set by laws and professional organizations. Following these standards reduces nurse liability risk. State nurse practice acts and employer policies define a nurse's scope of practice, which outlines the nurse's legal rights and responsibilities. Legal issues in nursing. Let us talk about patient rights. Patients have the right to safe, respectful, and competent care. The Patient Bill of Rights ensures informed consent and privacy. HIPAA protects patient health information, and violations can lead to fines or legal action. Always maintain confidentiality by sharing patient information only with those involved in their care. How to avoid a lawsuit. Here are a few ways to minimize the nurse's legal risks. Compassionate and competent care, build trust through open communication and follow standards of care. Social media, avoid sharing patient information online to protect confidentiality. Documentation, make sure all care records are accurate and completed promptly. Continuing education, stay updated on nursing practices to reduce errors. Communication, clear communication with patients and team members prevents misunderstandings. Good Samaritan laws, know the state laws, as these protect the nurse when providing emergency care outside the workplace. Professional liability insurance, this offers additional protection in case of lawsuits. Disciplinary process. When a complaint is filed, the disciplinary process begins. The state's Board of Nursing reviews the complaint. Investigations include reviewing records and interviewing witnesses. Possible outcomes include fines, suspension, or revocation of the nurse's license. If the nurse disagrees with the decision, the nurse can appeal, and reinstatement may be possible after demonstrating rehabilitation and competence. Understanding the legal aspects of nursing is vital to the nurse's role. It ensures the nurse delivers excellent care while protecting their career and maintaining the highest professional standards.
Hey there, this is Brian. I am the creator of LPN LaunchPad. I want to say thank you for learning with us. This video was created using Voicer AI. I have chosen to use AI to ensure the information comes across clearly every time. Using AI allows me to get more topics out quickly to our future LPNs. Hope this enhances your experience and allows for efficient and effective reviews. In addition to these videos, I have created a series of free adaptive quizzes in ChatGPT. The link to this video's quiz will be listed in the description below. Help me keep this project alive by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. The success of this channel allows me to create more content and spend more time focusing on creating free teaching tools for our future heroes.